Relationships rarely fall apart overnight. They slowly grow distant, with less talking and listening. Before you know it, you feel like you live together, but you're not fully connected anymore. If you've ever asked yourself, why don't we feel as close as before, or why is there emotional distance between us even though we love each other, then this video is for you. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful and deeply human ways to build real intimacy, not the superficial kind, but the warm, safe, emotional closeness that makes a relationship feel alive again. This isn't therapy, this is real, honest, practical guidance, the kind we often wish someone taught us earlier. So take a breath. Let's walk through this together. Feeling distant doesn't mean your relationship is broken. It means your connection needs attention. Relationships don't naturally stay deep. Life gets busy, routines settle in, and intimacy slowly fades. Signs your relationship may be missing depth include conversations feeling surface level, avoiding real emotions, or feeling misunderstood. Conflict might feel repetitive, romance like a memory, and you care for each other, but you're not truly connected. The good news? Depth can be rebuilt gently, intentionally, and beautifully. Let's start with honest, gentle communication, not about bills or schedules, but about truly understanding each other. Relationships lose depth when conversations lose vulnerability. A powerful weekly ritual is the gentle check-in. Once a week, sit together, no phones, and ask, what made you feel loved this week? Did I do anything that hurt or frustrated you? And what can I do better to support you next week? Don't rush the answers. Don't defend yourself. Just listen. You will be shocked how much depth grows from one honest conversation a week. Because intimacy isn't built through perfect love, it's built through open hearts. Emotional safety is the soil where intimacy grows. It's about creating an environment where you both feel safe to be imperfect. You create emotional safety when you stop interrupting, judging, minimizing feelings, keeping score, or weaponizing mistakes. Instead, you say, I hear you, help me understand, I didn't know you felt that way, or thank you for sharing that with me. These simple phrases open doors that have been closed for years. People open up when they feel safe, not when they feel pushed. The more accepted you feel, the more you reveal who you really are. Emotional safety deepens the relationship by removing fear and bringing authenticity back to the surface. Love languages are not cliches, they are emotional roadmaps. Every person has a unique way they feel loved. These include words of affirmation, physical touch, quality time, acts of service, and receiving gifts. The mistake couples make is showing love the way we want to receive love, not the way our partner needs it. For example, you might say, I love you often, but your partner might truly need quality time or acts of service. Here's a mini exercise. Ask your partner, which action from me makes you feel the most loved, and which action makes you feel emotionally disconnected? These 2 answers will save months of emotional guessing and unmet expectations. When you love someone in the way they understand, the relationship unlocks a new level of depth. Intimacy isn't something you have, it's something you build. Slowly, softly, intentionally. If your relationship feels distant right now, it doesn't mean it's failing. It means it's asking for connection. It means the 2 of you need to pause, breathe, and turn toward each other again. Depth returns when 2 people stop living parallel lives and start living connected lives again. I hope this video helps you take that first step.
For more accurate and helpful men's health advice, make sure to subscribe to the Dr. Sara Men's Health channel. Stay healthy, stay informed. I'll see you in the next video.